Alright, let's dive into this video about a super cool trading tool called the Parabolic RSI, brought to you by the folks at ChartPrime. This thing's a slick combo of the Parabolic SAR and the RSI designed to help you catch momentum shifts and potential reversals before they're super obvious. We're going to break down what this indicator is all about and walk you through how to use it in your trading. If you dig this video, don't forget to hit that like button. Let's jump right in. First things first, head over to TradingView. That's the platform I'm using here. If you don't have an account yet, no sweat. There's a link in the video description to get you set up. Once you're on TradingView, pull up your favorite market and time frame. Then hit the indicators button at the top, type Parabolic RSI into the search bar. And look for the one by, of course, my favorite ChartPrime. Big shout out to them. Click to slap it onto your chart. Boom! Say hello to Mighty Parabolic RSI by ChartPrime. This tool is pretty awesome. It grabs the Parabolic SAR's dots and plots them right on the RSI line. That lets you track momentum trends and spot potential reversals or shifts with these neat diamond signals on your chart. So what's it look like? Below your main price chart, you've got the classic RSI line bouncing around. But here's the fun part. You'll see these little dots, usually orange, blue, or something like that, riding along the RSI line. Those are the Parabolic SAR dots following the RSI's vibe. Up on your price chart, you'll spot diamond signals popping up, big ones and small ones. The big diamonds are your heavy hitters, showing up when the Parabolic SAR dots flip while the RSI line is either above 70, or let's say overbought, or below 30, or let's say oversold. The smaller diamonds are your everyday signals, appearing when the dots flip somewhere between the 30 and 70 RSI levels. Now let's poke around in the settings, open them up, and you'll see tons of ways to tweak things. You can adjust the RSI calculation length, go longer if you're a swing trader or shorter if you're scalping. You can also mess with the Parabolic SAR settings, like the acceleration factors, to dial in how sensitive it is to momentum swings. Plus, you can change the colors and decide if you want those signals showing up or not. It's got enough flexibility to fit your trading style like a glove. Next, we'll cover how to trade reliable and safe. How do you trade with this thing? The main game plan is to use those diamond signals for killer setups. For a strong bullish move, you want the RSI chilling in the oversold zone below 30. When the Parabolic SAR dots flip from above the RSI line to below it, while the RSI is under 30, you'll see a big blue diamond on your price chart. That's your buy now signal, hinting momentum's flipping up from oversold. On the flip side, for a strong bearish setup, look for the RSI hanging out above 70 in overbought territory. If the Parabolic SAR dots switch from below the RSI line to above it while the RSI is over 70, you'll get a big orange or maybe red, depending on your settings, diamond. That's your sell signal, suggesting the momentum's about to tank from overbought. Since this is all based on RSI momentum, not just price, these signals can pop up earlier than your typical trend-following tools. What about those smaller diamonds? They show up when the Parabolic SAR does flip in the 30 to 70 RSI range. These are your regular signals. Less intense, maybe catching the smaller trend shifts or early entries. They don't have that extra juice from extreme overbought or oversold levels, so you might want to double check with price action or other tools before diving in. Like always, pair these signals with other analysis to boost your confidence. So wrapping it up, the Parabolic RSI from ChartPrime is a quick hybrid tool. It was the trend-following power of Parabolic SAR with the momentum clues of RSI by slapping the SAR right onto the RSI line. That gives you diamond signals, big ones from RSI extremes and regular ones from the middle, helping you spot the momentum shifts and reversals, sometimes before they're screaming at you on the price chart. It's a clean visual way to read momentum trends. Just a heads up, this video is for learning purposes only, not financial advice. The strategy commodities we covered are all about indicators. So do your homework and mix in your own analysis. Price action, patterns, fundamentals, whatever works for you before making trades. And if you're looking for the best of them, make sure to check the recommended playlist on your screen. And also, if you're looking for different approaches to make any trading strategy, including this one, into a bot with alerts, all for free, so it does job for you while you're not around, make sure to check the other recommended videos on your screen. Believe me, you will thank me later. If you like this video, drop a like, or better yet, consider subscribing for more indicators, deep dives, and trading tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next time.